Principal Secretary. Sudhir Kumar, Principal Secretary. Jonathan Narimrod, the OSD to CM. Thank you so much, Sri Samir Lohani. Apologies for saying mistaking the name. And we have, according to the program, welcome speech by our Divisional Railway Manager from the Lungdim Division, who has just done the felicitation for us, Sri Samir Lohani.
We are flagging off a new Silchar Sairang Silchar passenger train service. This train service 55669/55670 will run 5 days a week. It will depart Sairang at 700 hours, reach Silchar at 1230 hours. For return, it will leave Silchar at 1300 hours, arrive at Sairang at 1830 hours. This train will stop at all stations en route, which presently do not have road connectivity. This train has a composition of 7 coaches. We are further open to enhancing the composition of the train with AC coaches, etc., in case there's a public demand. Alongside enhanced connectivity, Indian Railways is also focusing on improving passenger comforts. The inauguration of blended hospitality services at Guwahati railway station today, which includes sleeping pods, air-conditioned lounge, multiple cuisine restaurants. They will significantly enhance the travel experience and will be especially beneficial to commuters from Mizoram, Barak Valley, and other parts of India. NF Railway is committed to very fast development of railway in this region. Let me just highlight a few points. This train, as you already know, provides connectivity to Silchar and from Silchar to states of Tripura and Manipur. Our electrification is progressing fast, expected to be completed by April. This will result in increase of train speeds, more freight haulage, less pollution. Sairang Amrit Bharat station work is progressing. The budget is very handsome, 96 crores. We aim to make it a world-class station by May 2027. Lumding Division has done lots of works for increasing the speed of main lines, loop lines from Sairang right up to Kathakal. Protection works at Dhaleshwari River in Jamira Bhairavi have been completed. Yesterday we did a 118 kmph speed trial from Kathakal to Bhairavi. All this is with the intention of increasing speed of passenger trains from Sairang to Guwahati, Kolkata, New Delhi and Silchar. On the goods front, we have redeveloped the Bhairavi goods shed, including circulating area, approach roads, labor rooms, merchant rooms. This work was sanctioned at 14 crores. It is targeted for completion by April 26. And at Sairang, you can already see the merchant rooms, labor rooms, etc. being created. I express my sincere gratitude to Ministry of Railways, our Honorable Union Minister, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji. I also convey my heartfelt thanks to Honorable CM Mizoram, Honorable Public Representatives. Once again, I warmly welcome you all. Hope this new service brings greater prosperity, connectivity and convenience to people of this region. Thank you.
Video conferencing kaltlangin Guwahati changin tuna hian kan Minister of Railways Zomdak le MP de Panhin Miron Zomdona Let us welcome our Honorable Minister of Railways with a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister of Railways, for joining us. He is joined by Shri Kanat Purkayastha, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Assam, and also Shri Parimal Suklabaidia, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Assam. We will be continuing with the program as they have joined us. Thank you so much. And as we can see on the screen, we will be firstly welcoming our Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Shri Kanat Purkayastha, to give an address. And after that, we'll be welcoming Shri Parimal Suklabaidia, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, to follow on with his address as well. Donato Shri Kanat Purkayastha kansom pia pagudbeng kan lolom donya. Let us welcome Shri Kanat Purkayastha, our Honorable MP.
Honored Minister for Railways, Government of India, Ashwini Bishop, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Honorable MLA, Azom, Sairang, Honorable MP Supremo, respected dignitaries, and dear passengers. Today marks a truly meaningful moment for the people of Mizoram, Assam, and the entire Bharatpuri region with the flagging off of the new Silchar passenger train and inauguration of new passenger service as Guwahati railway station. I take this opportunity to place on record my deep sense of gratitude to Honorable Minister for Railways, Sri Ashwini Vaishnavji, for your prompt initiative to address this public demand for the people of Bharatpuri and Mizoram. This train connection has long been a real and present requirement. Silchar and Sairang are not merely stations on the railway map. They are lifelines of training, education, healthcare, and social exchange. By connecting these two important nodes, the railway has significantly eased the journey of daily passengers, professionals, businessmen, patients, and common citizens while boosting tourism-related activities, local trade, and allied services. Moreover, I thank Honorable Minister for Railways for providing the new passenger facility under Indian Railways Allied and FRI scheme equipped with all modern amenities at Guwahati railway station, which adds to a world-class infrastructure and enhances passenger experience. On behalf of the people of the region, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Railway Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnavji for their deep commitment to responsive and people-centric governance by strengthening regional connectivity which was neglected before. I am confident that such initiative will continue to bring the Northeast closer to the rest of the nation, fostering integration, growth, and shared prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you to our Honorable MP, Sri Kanad Purkayastha. Now, we request our Honorable MP, Sri Parimal Suklabadia, to give his address.
Cadet Ashwini Vaishnavji, रेलवे मिनिस्टर, हमारा साथ बैठा हुआ है कि हमारा सिलचर से कनाड पुरकास्टर जी राज्यसभा मेंबर और साथ ही साथ मिजोरम में हमारा मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड श्री लालरुमा जी और सीएम मिजोरम एंड एमएलए साहब आइजल का, साथ ही साथ हमारा जनरल मैनेजर बैठा हुआ है गुवाहाटी में। आपको हमारा नमस्कार। ऐसा है कि सिलचर से सायरंग तक आज जो ट्रेन इनॉगरेशन करेगा, उसका पहले मैं एक छोटा सा बात कि जो का पहले सिलचर या मिजोरम या नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बहुत सारे क्षेत्र है जहाँ से हम लोग कभी बड़ा रेलगाड़ी यानी वो जो आज का जो रेलगाड़ी होता है, पहले तो मीटर गेज में था, तो मीटर गेज से हमारा मिजोरम को छोड़िए सिलचर का आदमी हम लोग कभी सोच नहीं पाया कि कोई गाड़ी सिलचर से छुटेगी जो पूरा इंडिया को कनेक्ट करेगी। मतलब मोदी जी आने का बाद सबसे बड़ा बात है कि अश्विनी जी आपने दायित्व लेने का बाद इसमें चर्चा नहीं। आज हमारा सिलचर से सायरंग तक हम लोग अपनी इनॉगरेशन करेगा, मगर कभी हम लोग का सपने में भी नहीं आया कि मिजोरम तक जाएगा। 25 को अपने भैरवी से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भैरवी से सायरंग तक इनॉगरेशन किया, तो मिजोरम का साथ ऐसा है कि हमारा पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का, आपका जानकारी है कि वो ट्राइबल स्टेट है, पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक प्रांत केंद्र बहुत सी क्योंकि ये हमारा असम का साथ लगा हुआ स्टेट है। तो मिजोरम से आज का जो ट्रेन आपने इनॉगरेट करेगा, वो ट्रेन हमारा सिलचर या मेघालय बोलिए या मणिपुर बोलिए, हर जगह पे ही मीडिया लोग भी है। हमारा हर जितना कम्युनिटी है, हर कम्युनिटी उधर में बसत करता है। तो इसलिए जैसे हर आदमी का इकोनॉमी, अर्थनीति, समाज एंड साहित्य और संस्कृति हर कुछ कनेक्ट है। तो ये ट्रेंड से हमारा कितना मुनाफा होगा ये हम अभी बोल नहीं सकता हूँ, क्योंकि हिस्ट्री बोलता है कि सिलचर से मिजोरम जाने के लिए, क्योंकि सिलचर ही गेटवे है, मिजोरम जाने के लिए जब हम लोग बाई रोड में जाया करता था, कितना हजारों आदमी का प्राण गवाया, क्योंकि वो डिजर्ट रोड है तो उसमें बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट। और मैं तो प्रत्यक्षदर्शी हूँ, इसलिए कि मैं घर में मिजोरम का सब सटा हुआ जो धलाई बस के का मैंने 5 दफे का मैंने देखा। तो करीबन हर रोज ऐसा कोई ना कोई गाड़ी, कोई ना कोई डेड बॉडी आया करता था। आज जो सिलचर से सायरंग तक जाने वाला गाड़ी को आप इनॉगरेट करेगा, इसमें बोलने का इतना है कि ईश्वर कृपा करे, आपका उम्र ज्यादा हो, आप ऐसा ही काम करते रहिए। आप जैसा पूरा इंडिया को कनेक्ट कर रहा है, पूरा इंडिया आदमी का साथ आदमी को, हर आदमी को ये जो है नर्सिक का आपका हर आदमी का जानकारी है कि हम लोग हिली स्टेट हूँ, इसमें छोटा सा एक काम बाकी है। आपका वही याद में है कि मिजोरम तक अभी तक पहुंच नहीं पाया, काम चल रहा है, बहुत वास्ट में काम चल रहा है, तो वो भी हो जाता तो बहुत अच्छा था। आज इधर में जो आप गुवाहाटी में एक टूरिस्ट स्पॉट के इनॉगरेशन करने वाला है, इसमें भी हमारा पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का फायदा होने वाला है। मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट का तरफ से, मेरा सिलचर का तरफ से दिल से आपका शुक्रिया भी अदा करता हूँ, नमन भी करता हूँ।
We thank the honorable MPs that have joined us. Shri Parimal Suklabodia, thank you so much once again. The next program will be the unveiling of plaque for inauguration of the new passenger service at Guwahati Railway Station, where our dignitaries there will be unveiling the plaque, and from here we'll be requesting our Honorable Chief Minister Pulal Duoma to press the buttons accordingly. We'll do it from our side in the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Purvodaya to Bharatudaya, New India's development journey. And at the center of this journey is the land of the Astalakshmi, the 8 states of Northeast India, and its lifeline, Indian Railways. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, railway connectivity in the Northeast is reaching new frontiers. Record budget allocation of 11,486 crore rupees has been made for railways in Northeast in 2026 to 2027, more than 5 times of the amount during 2009 to 14. On 13 September 2025, Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram, got connected to the national rail network. The 51-kilometer Bairabi-Sairang rail line is actively contributing to the development of Mizoram. Direct train services from Sairang to Delhi, Kolkata and Guwahati have improved access to education, healthcare and trade. Tourism in Mizoram has received a major boost. Movement of railway freight cargo has brought down costs of commodities in Mizoram's markets and removed traffic jams on highways. Introduction of India's first Vande Bharat Sleeper Express between Guwahati and Kolkata has added a new chapter in railway passenger services in the region. Railway stations are also undergoing a major transformation. 60 railway stations in the Northeast are being redeveloped as Amrit stations. Today, marking yet another milestone in Northeast India's journey from frontier to frontrunner, a new train service is being introduced. The Sairang to Silchar passenger train will improve rail connectivity between Mizoram and the Barak Valley of Assam. It will provide daily commuters, students, and people with medical needs a safe, fast, and comfortable journey and open up new pathways for improved people-to-people connectivity. Today, new passenger facilities at Guwahati railway station are also being inaugurated. modern sleeping pods, lounge facilities, multi-cuisine restaurant, and safe, comfortable and hygienic resting spaces. These facilities will improve passenger comfort and provide railway passengers at Guwahati a refined and enriching travel experience. With visionary guidance from Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the Northeast is achieving unprecedented levels of development and connectivity, as a developed Northeast is a pre-undergoing for a developed India.
Very, hello. As we have just seen, there are new facilities that would make passenger experience much more comfortable at Guwahati Railway Station. Now, we would like to kindly request our Honorable Chief Minister, Pulal Duhama, to give his address. Let us welcome him by standing and giving him a big round of applause. Kung ay kazavain, kan siyam zam takan som tsui lau dingang.
The respected Union Minister of Railways, Sri Ashwini Vaishnaji, my colleagues in the government of Mizoram and the officials from government of Mizoram, and two MPs from Assam, Sri Kanat Purkayastaji, Sri Parimal Sukla Baidiaji, Sri Chetan Kumar Srivastava, GM NFR, Sri Samir Lohai, DMR Lamding, distinguished guests, and my dear friends. Today is a momentous day for Mizoram. My deepest appreciation for the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. It is his relentless focus on the Act East policy that has transformed Mizoram and the Northeast from a distant frontier into a growth engine of India. Under Modi's guidance, we are witnessing a historic shift towards inclusive development. He has ensured that no state, no matter how remote, is left behind in India's journey towards becoming Viksit Bharat. This train service today is a shining example of that vision turning into reality. I am most pleased to the Railway Minister for acceding our request to introduce this Sairang Silchar service. Silchar is not just a neighbor, it is our nearest and most critical economic corridor. I'm certain this new rail service will enhance economic activities, not just between Mizoram and Assam, but the rest of the country. It will act as a powerful engine for our state's flagship program, hand-holding policy. Honorable Minister Ashwini, your dynamic leadership is evident to all of us. It has been only 5 months since the inauguration of the Sairang station, and I'm very happy that we are already introducing this new line today. The speed of execution is commendable. I extend my sincere thanks to you and to the NFR, and in particular, the Lambing Division, for their tireless work. With the introduction of Sairang Station, tourism in our state has already increased multifold. I must also take this moment to convey my gratitude to you, Honorable Minister Sir, for the introduction of sleeping pods and Guwahati Station. The innovative facility will prove to be immensely beneficial for the entire Northeast during their transit, ensuring their travel is comfortable and convenient. Sir, allow me to take this opportunity to make a gentle reminder of our discussion in Delhi sometimes back over the following points. Number one is construction of warehouse and cold storage here at Sairang Railway Station. Number two is extension of Delhi Silchar service up to Sairang station. Number 3 is finalization of extension of railway line from Sairang to the Peace City Tenzol, which will again be another big game changer for our state. Lastly, Swiniji, we are really delighted to have you with us today virtually. We look forward to your physical visit to Mizoram to inaugurate future projects in the next not so distant future. Once again, on behalf of the people of Mizoram, my sincere gratitude to you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much to our Honorable Chief Minister, Pulal Doma. And now we would like to request Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, our Union Minister of Railways, to give his address.
आज इस शुभ दिन पर उपस्थित मिजोरम के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री लालू होमा जी, मेरे साथी श्री परिमल शुक्लाबद्या जी, साथी श्री कनाड पुरकायस्था जी और ऐजॉल में ऑनरेबल एमएलए श्री लालवेन चुंगा जी, रेलवे के सभी साथी उपस्थित जीएम साहब, डीआरएम साहब, उपस्थित सभी अधिकारी और मीडिया के सभी साथी, आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। आप सबको जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने नॉर्थ ईस्ट के रेलवे के डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो काम किया है और एक फोकस लाया है और बहुत सारे फंड्स देकर अच्छे से काम को एग्जीक्यूट कराया है, वो सब आप सबको ज्ञात है। मैं फिर भी जानकारी देना चाहूंगा कि प्रधानमंत्री जी विश्वास करते हैं पूर्वोदय के विकास में। ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर बिलीव्स दैट फॉर विकसित भारत, फॉर अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री, द एंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट शुड बी डेवलप्ड अलोंग। इसीलिए नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए हिस्टोरिक रेलवे बजट दिया है 11,486 करोड़ रुपीस। 11,486 करोड़ रुपीस के प्रोजेक्ट के बजट से बहुत सारे काम तेजी से हो रहे हैं। टोटल नॉर्थ ईस्ट में रेलवे का इन्वेस्टमेंट है 72,468 करोड़। 72,000 करोड़ रुपीस का इन्वेस्टमेंट है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में रेलवे का। दिस विल टोटली चेंज द वे आवर पीपल, आवर citizens in the northeastern states, they travel, they communicate, they meet their relatives and they do their business. The service which is started today, this is a service between Silchar and Sairang. कुछ ही दिनों पहले ऑनरेबल एमपीज ने भी मुझे इसका रिक्वेस्ट किया था, उससे पहले ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने भी इसका रिक्वेस्ट किया था, क्योंकि सिलचर एक कमर्शियल हब है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, असम में, जो कि त्रिपुरा को, मिजोरम को, मणिपुर को, सबको सर्विस करता है। इसलिए बहुत जरूरी था कि सिलचर के साथ सायरांग का एक कनेक्टिविटी हो। और जो कुछ ही महीनों पहले माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सायरांग की रेलवे कनेक्टिविटी इनॉग्रेट किया था, उसके बाद से कई स्टेप्स लिए गए। जो नई गाड़ियां स्टार्ट की थी, they are now stabilized. Operation has now become very smooth. Many challenges have been overcome already, and overall we are finding that people are giving a lot of positive feedback on the connectivity to Mizoram. And today's service will add one more dimension to the benefits that people of Silchar as well as people of Mizoram will be getting. Tourism will increase. It will be easier to buy the goods from Silchar, bring them to Mizoram, and also supply the goods manufactured in Mizoram to the market in Silchar. Today, one very interesting facility has been inaugurated at Assam. I hope that will be liked by the people. Overall, if you look at it, असम को कनेक्टिविटी देने के लिए बहुत सारे, असम और नॉर्थ ईस्ट को कनेक्टिविटी देने के लिए बहुत सारे नए प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ कई पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट भी हुए। इन 11 वर्षों में करीब 1900 किलोमीटर नए नए रेलवे ट्रैक्स नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में बने। श्रीलंका के टोटल रेल नेटवर्क से ये ज़्यादा है। अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, नागालैंड और त्रिपुरा और मिजोरम, इसमें 100% इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कंप्लीट हो गया है। असम का इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन 98% हो गया है और बहुत जल्दी 100% हो जाएगा। टोटल 2101 करोड़ के कॉस्ट से, इन्वेस्टमेंट से 60 स्टेशन को नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में रिकंस्ट्रक्ट किया जा रहा है, रीडेवलप किया जा रहा है। वंदे भारत स्लीपर जो कि बहुत ही एक अच्छी सर्विस है, हाईली अप्रिशिएटेड सर्विस है, इसका इनॉग्रेशन भी आसाम से हुआ। आसाम और कोलकाता को जोड़ने वाली एक ट्रेन। और अभी हाल ही में बजट में आपने जानकारी होगी कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने, माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने सिलीगुड़ी तक बुलेट ट्रेन लाने का फैसला किया। वाराणसी से पटना होते हुए सिलीगुड़ी तक बुलेट ट्रेन आएगी, तो भविष्य में आने वाले समय में गुवाहाटी तक जाने का भी एक रास्ता इससे खुलता है। सिलीगुड़ी तक बुलेट ट्रेन आती है पश्चिम बंगाल में, तो आगे भविष्य में गुवाहाटी तक भी उसका डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है आने वाले वर्षों में। तो ओवरऑल बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिससे कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट की कनेक्टिविटी पूरी तरह से चेंज होती है। भूटान के लिए कोकराझार से गिलुपुर न्यू लाइन बनेगी, बनारस से संस्थे न्यू लाइन बनेगी। फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ऑलरेडी शिवोक से रैंको का काम बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है। कोकराझार से गिलुपुर जो मैंने आपको बताया, इसका काम जल्दी चालू होगा। लैंड एक्विजिशन, परमिशंस वगैरह सब चल रही है, प्रोजेक्ट सैंक्शन हो गया है। वैसे ही दीमापुर से कोहिमा का काम भी बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है। जिरीबाग से इम्फाल में बीच में कुछ समय तक दिक्कत आई थी, अब काम उसका वापस चालू हो गया। विशेषकर जो लोने पर्वत के पास में एक लैंडस्लाइड हुआ था बड़ा, उसके बाद में काम थोड़ा रुक गया था, अब काम वापस चालू हो गया है। ओवरऑल नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में रेलवे का बहुत फोकस है और इससे बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेगा। कई नई अमृत भारत सर्विसेज स्टार्ट हुई है, वंदे भारत सर्विसेज हैं। और अगर आप देखिए कि 10-12 वर्षों पहले नॉर्थ ईस्ट को एक निगलेक्टेड एरिया माना जाता था, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्वयं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इतनी बार गए और हर एक मंत्री को, सभी को फोकस करने के लिए हमेशा कहते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। तो उसी कड़ी में आज ये नई सर्विस चालू होती है। मैं सबका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करना चाहूँगा, धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, और विशेषकर मिजोरम और असम के सभी निवासियों को, शिलचर के, आइजॉल के, भैरवी के, सारंग के सभी साथियों को मैं बहुत बहुत नमस्कार करना चाहूँगा। बहुत धन्यवाद, आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you. Hello. Thank you so much to our Honorable Minister of Railways, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, for that speech. This will be continued by the flagging off of the new passenger train service between Sairang and Silchar. We'll be requesting our Honorable Chief Minister to lead us in the flag off of this new train service, joined by all of our dignitaries and also our Honorable MR and MPs. And now let us continue rising once again as we play the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Okay, a slight change of program that we had earlier. Now we would like to invite our Honorable MLA, Utibisi Lalventunga, to continue with his address.
Respected Honorable Chief Minister Pulal Duoma and other dignitaries here, my colleagues in the government, members of the media, and my dear brothers and sisters of Mizoram. Friends, today we have marks yet another defining moment in the history of our state. We recall with deep gratitude historic day last September when our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji dedicated the Sairang railway line to the nation. On that day, the first seeds of connectivity were sown. Today, we are witnessing those seeds begin to bear fruits. As rightly pointed out by Sri Kanat Purkesta from our Honorable MP from Assam, उसने कहा है उसने जस्ट कहा था कि यहाँ पे जो हमारा कनेक्टिविटी मिजोरम और असम का आज का जो बिगिनिंग जो शुरू हुआ था, it was not only just remarkable but also a defining moment. And as we flag off Sairang Silchar passenger service and witnessed the inauguration of the blended hospitality services at Guwahati railway station, we see clearly the commitment of the Indian Railways to provide safe, comfortable, and world-class facilities to every passenger, including those from our region. Mizoram is no longer at the periphery of the development. We are steadily moving towards its center. As, just let me quote again, Ashwini ji साहब ने अभी भी कहा था कि it's not only him but also under the able leadership of the Prime Minister, Mizoram and the whole Northeast is not just talk of ये भाषण की बात नहीं हुई है. अभी अभी जो भी हुआ है पिछले 5 साल में एक्शन के साथ ही अभी अभी हमें फ्रूट्स मिलते जा रहा हैं. I stand here not only as a representative of this constituency but as a witness to the promise that rail connectivity brings. With the establishment of the Sairang railway station, the Aizol West 1 constituency is emerging as the commercial heartbeat of the new Mizoram. Since the inauguration last September, we have seen tourists arrive in greater numbers, homestays filled up, taxi drivers busier than ever, local products finding new markets, and new enterprises beginning to take shape. These are the early signs of an economic transformation that will touch every household. Chu wangin voinia helai bial chunga local zong te chadu cheu pakhat ka han ne chu hei hi Aizol West to an bial tan chawanilo Mizoram pumpui tan kan melan na kan ma khwa tur le mason na ra duom tak tak la chua mek tur ani awangin amun ma a che vel passenger service kan la konga te kan service provide renga hian za takin Mizoram mel ti thatu ni zeli tu mangu ti kha vo India hian ka han som tel du chewa chumi ani lo chuan mi tourist le kan traders te helaya stakeholders ron kal te tan har satna siam tu kan ni pal kha lo ma wangin in siam rem zel tur le kan lok pui the na turin thei top in ma kan la zelang ti kha ka han soidu bokane. Honorable Minister Sri Ashwini ji, on behalf of the people of this constituency and of Mizoram, Our hearts are full of gratitude to you, to the Ministry of Railways, and to the Northeast Frontier Railway for conquering difficult terrain and turning vision into reality. Your teams have worked with dedication and skill, and for that we are deeply thankful. Yet, the eyes of the people of Mizoram are fixed firmly on the horizon. The steel track must not end here. We stand ready to partner in the next phases of connectivity so that the benefits of the development extend deeper into our state and reach every corner. As the Sairang Silchar passenger departs today, let it carry with it our message of friendship to our neighbors and our promise of a Viksit Bharat. Kalome. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, our Honorable MLA. And let us continue to stand as we say our goodbyes to our dignitaries. Led by, once again, so thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister, Pula Doma. And that marks the end of our program for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all.